Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Maktoum. So in the last video of second standard EVS, we have finished lesson 10. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the next lesson, that is lesson number 11, that is travel. What is the lesson name? Travel. Okay. So what is travel? That is moving from one place to another place. That is what traveling. Right. So to travel, what do we use? We use some vehicles. So like example, you will be coming to school by what? By bus. Some people come by bus, and some people come in their parents vehicle like scooty, yes, bike, yes or no. So all those are some of the vehicles which we use for traveling, right? So in this lesson also you're going to see some of the vehicles and their classification. So some of the vehicles will go on land, and some of them can go on in air and also in water, right? So that what we are going to study in this lesson. Let us move, kids. Lesson 11, travel. Okay, so how do you come to school? Some kids come to school by bus, right? And some people come by their parents vehicle like bike, right? And some people comes by walk. The things which carry people and goods from one place to other are called vehicles. Yes, kids. So what are vehicles? Vehicles will carry the people as well as the goods from one place to other. Hope you may have seen trains, right? The trains will be carrying people as well as some of the goods, right? So it is a vehicle. Okay. So there is one question they have asked to you. Write the names of the vehicle you have seen. So whichever vehicles you have seen, you have to write them one by one. So I have written here lorry. Lorry you may have seen. It is also called as truck. Okay. Then cycle. Yeah, some of you may know how to write cycle, right? So cycle is also a vehicle. Then car, bullock cart, motorbike, boat, aeroplane, helicopter. So these are some of the vehicles which I have mentioned. Now, other than that, like horse cart is also there. Okay. So like this, whichever you have seen, you can mention here. The only thing you have to remember in this page is what are vehicles. The things which carry people and goods from one place to other is called vehicle. Okay. Write the names of the vehicles in the boxes which are in the pictures below. So you can see some of the pictures, right? So you have to identify which vehicle it is and you have to write it in the box. So first one is cycle, right? Second one is a bus. Then aeroplane. Then we have lorry. Then motorbike. This is bullock cart. Then train we have. Then auto rickshaw. Then horse cart. Then boat. Okay, kids. Here, if you see in these pictures, we can tell that cycle, bus, lorry, motorbike, horse cart, auto rickshaw, train, bullock cart, these will be traveling on the land, right? If I say aeroplane, this will be traveling in air, right? And boat in water. Yes. So let us move, kids. Here we have to see the list of vehicles is given, and among them we have to identify which moves slow and which moves fast. Okay. So cycle, You can ride faster, right? So moves fast comparing to bullock cart. So bullock cart is the slower one. Then bus moves fast. Train moves slow. Aeroplane moves very fast, right? Then lorry, if it is carrying many goods, means it may move slow. Then horse cart, since horse can run faster, it can move fast compared to bullock cart. Okay. Motorbike, yes, moves fast. Auto rickshaw can be also move fast, and boat moves slow. Okay. Now, Rahim's hometown is Karwar. Okay. His grandfather's house is in Udupi. Yes, he will be now living to his grandfather's house. So he is going to his grandfather's house. In which of the following vehicles should Rahim travel to reach his grandfather's home early? So he want to reach his grandfather's home early. So which one vehicle he can use? Bullock cart or the bus? Which one he should use? He should use the bus. Right? Comparingly, bus moves faster. Right? So we should use bus. Then, which vehicle is better for Harini to travel in to go to her grandmother's house from Shivamogga to Tumakuru? Put the right mark against the correct vehicle. What she should use? Auto rickshaw or train? Which one she should use? So, train is the better option. Okay. Now, Ramesh and John are neighbors in Kalaburgi. They work in the same office. Every day Ramesh goes by a cycle and John goes by a motorbike. So he is Ramesh who goes by cycle and John goes by motorbike. Both of them leave their houses at the same time. Which of them reaches the office earlier? Bike is faster, so bike will reach earlier. Write any four vehicles that move on land. Lorry, bus, cycle, car. Have you seen the vehicles that move on water? Write their names. Have you traveled in them? Boat. Hope you have traveled. Some of you may have traveled, right? Yacht. Yacht is like a ship. Okay, a big ship that what we call as yacht. Okay. Do you know about the vehicles that move in air? Write the name of the vehicle. Aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, right? Name of some vehicles are given below. Write where they move in the following table. So in the first column you can write the vehicles which move on land. In the second column move on water. And the third column move in air. Okay. Now I have listed already. You can write it down. Lorry moves on land. Bus moves on land. Cycle moves on land. Car, bullock cart, horse cart and motorbike. All of these moves on land. Then coming to boat and yacht, they moves on water. And aeroplane and helicopter moves in air. Okay. The system of vehicles that move on land is called land transport. Okay. What is land transport? The system of vehicles which move on land. And the system of vehicles that move on water is water transport. Water transport means the vehicles which moves on water. Then the system of vehicles that move in air, those are air transport. Land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay. So here you have to join the dots, kids. So this will be a bus, right? And this will be an aeroplane and this is a boat. So join the dots and you can, if you want, you can also color them. Okay. Now, vehicles and their uses are given in the following pictures. Draw lines to match these. So cycle can carry a single person, right? So you can mark it. Then lorry can carry goods. So you can mark goods. Then bus can carry a number of people. So you can mark number of people. then boat can help you to cross the water body. So you can mark this one. Okay, clear with this? Now, here some of the riddles are given, some of the puzzles are given, we have to solve them. I can fly, though not a bird. I do shine, but I am not a star. Though I have wheels, I am not a car. I am very fast, but not a cheetah. So who am I? It's aeroplane. Okay. I cannot run on the road. I cannot fly in the air. I run at lightning speed and make a chukubuku sound. Who am I? It's train. Okay. Look one and all how I play and sail on water every day. No wings to trouble and no problems I have. Who am I? Ship. Okay, kids. So in this lesson, we have studied what are vehicles and what are different types of vehicles, and we saw where they move. Okay, so that's all you have to remember in this lesson. That completes this lesson, travel. Okay, so with this, I'm going to finish this video. In the next video, we'll continue with the next lesson. Till then, take care, be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.